Hey guys, it's me, SPC Frank, the County 373 here, and something is coming back here for the week. It's the required weekly tests. I'm home because it's Thanksgiving break. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Happy early Thanksgiving. So we have CLE and ILN testing today at 11 o'clock. Alright, here you go. Which one? That's, oh, starting with you today.
Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, section-field receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
Okay, so CLE tested before ILN. Finally.
This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station GIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather, can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Harry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station GIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Rest of today, cloudy. Rain likely this afternoon. Highs in the mid-40s. 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 60%. Tonight, rain. Lows in the mid-30s. East.
That's all the RWTs for Thanksgiving.